Hi there, it's SADESIGN channel. Hope that you guys having a great day. Today I'm going to share with you how to brighten skin. As usual, most people tend to use curve for brightening. However, it won't work in some cases. Before using curve, you have to do some steps below. First, make a copy of background by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Window, Channel. There are 4 channels including RGB, red, green, and blue. Turn off RGB, red, and green. Duplicate blue channel and go to Filter, Order, High Pass. The radius around 5 pixels. After that, go to Image, Calculation, and click OK. We will repeat this step one more time. Click and drag Alpha 2 channel to the little dot circle and press Ctrl Shift I or Command Shift I. Turn on for original channels back and using curve with shortcut Ctrl or Command M. Now we increase a bit of mid-tone and enjoy the final result. If you like Photoshop and photograph just like SADESIGN and you want to get more and more tips, techniques, experience from us, make sure to subscribe our channel by simply clicking the subscribe button. You will get tons of free tutorials that SADESIGN share about Photoshop technique on a daily basis. If you have any ideas, don't hesitate to leave comments right below the video. We look forward to see your thoughts. Thanks so much for following and supporting SADESIGN. See you guys in the following tutorials. Bye bye.